call it real spill.
YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Josh back with another video. But on this video, I'm not doing a haircut tutorial. I'm doing my 20K giveaway and how to enter to win my 20K giveaway. So recently, I just hit 20,000 subscribers. Thank you God for that. All the support and all the, positivity you guys are showing me. That's the only reason we keep moving up. So for 20,000 subscribers, I decided to do a giveaway. And the giveaway is going to be these Babyliss, Rob the Original, the White FX, Babyliss clippers, with the all white with the gold accents on it. That is the giveaway prize. I was having a hard time on what to do, what to make you guys do to win. I never did a giveaway before, so I didn't really know what to do. So I just came up with something. I watched some other people's giveaways, different YouTube channels and how people do giveaways. Kind of made up my own. I didn't want it to be too complicated, you know what I mean? Because I just want to give back, I don't want it to be, a benefit for me. So I made it easier for you guys to win. The reason for my giveaway is really to, show some appreciation of the support that you guys are giving me. It's crazy. Starting a YouTube channel wasn't easy for me. I kind of was skeptical on starting me a YouTube channel because I wanted to do it for the right reasons. I didn't want to start a channel just because every barber is big, and just, got a lot of followers and all that. It wasn't for the recognition, but I actually genuinely like recording myself, putting out content, and I'm good with technical things, and I just have fun with the process of, running my YouTube and editing and the whole 9 yards. I just have fun with it. So this is fun to me. So I just want to give back to you guys for supporting me, because without you guys, I wouldn't be motivated to keep going and to just, be happy about my YouTube, you know what I mean? So as long as you guys supporting, I will always appreciate you guys by doing giveaways or whatever I can do to show my love that you guys give to me. These are actually the clippers I won when I won the hair show, when I won that first place. This is actually the clipper that I won. It was one of the clippers that I won, and I decided to use it as a giveaway to give back to you guys, you know what I mean? It's not all about the money. I could have sold them, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to be a blessing to my YouTube channel for all the support and positivity that they lay on me under my videos and watching my videos, because we're steady growing, and more content and a lot of content is going to be coming out. I can tell that you guys like the last video I did. Y'all guys are showing a lot of love on the video. So, you guys keep me motivated. Just want to keep putting out content, just, keeping you guys entertained and, teaching you guys, because, you guys, you deserve it. You want to learn how to be the best or how to get to be the best. So I'm just going to give you my gems that I know, as much as me to you guys. So how to win this giveaway, you have to go on my Instagram and find a picture of these. So the post is going to be a picture of these clippers, and it's going to say giveaway and 20K. I'm going to make it look cool, something like a thumbnail. I might use the actual same thumbnail as this video, but anyways, you have to find that picture on my Instagram page, which is at JoshXBarber, no spaces. It's JoshXBarber on Instagram. You can go to my description below, or you can see at the top of this video how to spell my name so you can find it on Instagram. So basically, once you find the picture, you have to like it, and you have to tag 2 other barbers in the comments, and then you have to follow me on Instagram. So to be fully entered, once you're done with that, you have to screenshot it or something and send it to my DM, just so I can verify that you've done everything that's required to win, and then I will put you into the drawing. So I'm gonna do this giveaway up until Monday. So Monday is when I'm going to release who wins the drawing, who wins the clippers. So you have until today, which is Friday, you have today, which is Friday, and then you have until Monday to do it. So Monday I will be picking who won, so you have Saturday, Sunday to do it. Well, you got all of Friday, all of Saturday, and all of Sunday. And Monday I'm going to go live, or I might just make another video on who won the clippers. So that's how to enter to win my giveaway. I'm excited for this. Good luck to everyone, and just do it as fast as you can, and make sure to send it to my DM. And you know, if you missed anything, just go back and watch the video. So you know, rewind it or whatever. I will put details in this description if you couldn't really understand what I was saying or what I meant. And under the actual post on my Instagram, I'm gonna do the same thing on how to enter the win. So it's not only for the YouTubers, it's actually for people on Instagram too. So share the word. I mean, share the word. Share the word that I have a giveaway. So if you share it to your story, you know, somebody that doesn't watch my YouTube channel, you know, tell them to subscribe and they can be a potential winner. So good luck. It's your boy JoshXBarber. It's your boy Josh the Barber, whatever you want to call me, man. This giveaway is about to get turned up. See you guys Monday with the winner.